So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about TTML share. So previously, when we discussed about this particular stock, we have seen all the latest updates, especially related to the partnership between TTML and Zoom. So how it would develop the upcoming enterprises, especially small scale enterprises, and how well the financials would improve. So all the major prospects we have discussed. So little bit of weakness was also observed since the last two sessions, but today again taking the support near the pivot region, it has started retracing. So many people had questions related to technicals. So we'll try to find out what are the major regions that we need to focus. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because on regular basis we are discussing stocks for short-term trading followed by long-term. So few stocks have already given some very good momentum. So it is a matter of patience and value investing. So I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so first discussing about TTML on weekly chart time frame. So once you see the weekly chart clearly, you can understand the last week itself we have seen little bit of weakness. So market has given some very good move since the past 3 to 4 sessions, but little bit of consolidation is also present. So when consolidation is present, so many upper circuit stocks circuit opens and little bit of fluctuation happens. So what happens at that point of fluctuations? So many people try to exit. So they think that it will go to lower circuit, but just it is operator game. So again they'll buy on the buying side and it will go to upper circuit. So this is the basic scenario that we observe in many stocks, especially which are operator driven. So if you're doing any short term trading or swing trading, so just you need to follow the technicals and stop loss. So once your target is hit, you need to exit and you should not think about any sort of further movement. And the same way, if you're going to the stop loss region also, just simply you need to exit. And if your view is for long term especially, then just forget about that. So just invest small quantities and just leave it. So for a certain period of time, if everything goes well, it will give you some very good returns. And the same way, if nothing happens, you lose just a small amount. So that sort of mentality you need to develop. So money flow index wise, you can see that is near 52 for TTML in mid range. So not completely in oversold, and the same way overbought. Okay, so next moving further towards what are the major resistances that the stock will be facing. So first resistance would be around 45 rupees level. So from 45 rupees level, you can see a wick has been formed. So from the top, little bit of profit booking was seen in this particular stock. So wick has been formed. So once it crosses 45, so then we can expect a good move in the stock to cross the 50 rupees level. So coming to support region, so 40 rupees is going to be a very strong support for the stock. So earlier also 2 times the testing has been done near the 40 rupees level. So make sure near term supports on weekly chart would be 40, and resistance wise it needs to cross the 45 rupees region. So this is on weekly chart time frame. So quickly let's go to daily chart. Okay, so now when we go to daily chart time frame, so there you can see how well the stock was taking the support near the 50-day exponential moving average. So clearly I tell in all the videos, 50-day exponential moving average is very important in daily chart time frame. So as you can see, the support region wise 40 is very important in daily chart time frame also, and 45 if it crosses, we can expect a smooth movement towards the 50 rupees level. So daily chart still needs confirmation till it crosses the 45. So until then you need to focus the support region very carefully. So money flow index also near 33, almost we can say from oversold it has retraced a little bit, and we can say it is also in a very good region. So make sure you're watching the levels very carefully. So whatever we have discussed, so further if you're having any queries, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.